Yeah, Piyush.
Piyush,
And
you're here
yeah,
by yourself?
I was supposed to be with my girlfriend for like she's been my girlfriend for 10 years now. But वो नहीं आई उसने last moment ditch कर दिया. So,
Okay.
but yeah, this it's a story when I went over to her place. Like I used to go and sleep over at her place even when their parents were around. And रात के 12 बजे के बाद then we used to go to the other room.
Right.
वन सेकंड
Wait.
12 के पहले कहाँ थे?
हॉल में ना हॉल में लाइक हर पेरेंट्स आर ओ कूल कि ठीक है हाँ हॉल में ही बैठे कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे
So 12 तक you're there.
एंड
And then 12 के बाद में you'll go.
दिस इज लाइक रिवर्स सिंड्रेला.
Yeah.
12 बजे तक आई एम वेटिंग वेरी पेशेंटली ओके लाइक तो
Yeah.
उसके बाद आई लाइक लेट्स गो एंड शी इज लाइक नहीं नहीं मेरे डैड जा गए आई एम लाइक मेरे को कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा अरे डोंट वरी ट्रस्ट मी ब्रो चलना
Yeah. Trust me, bro.
And we go in, we have sex, and then so the problem is कि उनके master bedroom है, and the other room doesn't have a washroom बाहर है, so that's a common washroom. So I come out naked and go into the other washroom.
Amazing.
और problem ये है
All Cinderella forgot was a heel.
and the bad luck was कि उनके bedroom का bathroom was not functioning. So he had to come out to go to the washroom.
The father.
Yeah.
And then you had to have sex with the father. What happened then?
And he walked in on me.
Okay.
He just opened the door and shut it. And I was like, अरे शायद हवा से बंद हुआ है. I didn't understand.
अच्छा देखो मालूम नहीं पड़ा. वो देखो देख के शर्मा गया. He shut it. And you were just like, खोलना.
No. I actually thought it was her that she was like, कि अरे पीयूष जल्दी कर. Like,
Right.
I also want to get like freshen up and everything. But she had left the room. So
Okay.
the other room across the hall, running naked.
Okay. Bro, I don't live with my parents and even I don't do this.
I was just gonna say that first rule अपना घर में नंगा मत घूमो भाई.
The question is, why was the father coming out? Was he also?
बोला ना कि उनका
And one second. Was the father wearing
That's what I'm
clothes?
saying. Yeah. The father is like, are you Piyush?
He doesn't know.
All of them are naked. And the istri wala standing outside.
Like, बेटा आपके कपड़े कहाँ गए?
He goes back to his room. And
Right.
he sends her mom.
Correct.
Sends her mom to her room. And then we are full freaked out कि क्या होगा कैसे मतलब.
And you all have your phones at this point?
Yeah. We have.
Where do you keep?
वो रूम में गया ना जिधर कपड़े थे मेरे.
Okay.
Storage space है तो.
So and her mom comes to her room and then she calls me. It's like कि अरे मेरे रूम में आ जा. My mom wants to talk to us. And her mom is like, तेरे डैड को क्या गरज है जाके सब बाथरूम में झांकने की? Like why can't he keep to himself? I'm like,
Oh.
Because he's lonely.
In his own house. He's like, तू अपना घर में सब बाथरूम चेक करता है मादरचोद. कोई नंगा भी नहीं घूम सकता है तुम्हारा घर में. ये क्या बात हुई अंकल?
she's like, I get what you were doing, but that's none of my concern. But yeah.
Oh.
बाप रे तो किसका कंसर्न है ये?
Then we went out for TV shopping with her dad and.
That night. So you hung out with our parents after that.
One second, I love the escalation of उसने मेरे को नंगा देखा, फिर मैंने उसको नंगा देखा, फिर उसने देखा कि हमें उसकी बेटी नंगी है, फिर हम लोगों ने सोचा इसका लॉजिकल कंक्लूजन है यार एक फ्लैट स्क्रीन खरीदते.
And then when something weird comes up on the TV, they all like, "Arey, channel change."
So now everyone's friends. Everyone's like, yeah. Once you've seen each other naked, you're good friends.
We
Yeah.
are cool. Now we drink and everything. So
How you drink? Do you ever get drunk and like ask him to take his clothes off?
I let him get drunk first.
Yeah.
He's like, "You want to play strip poker like that?" हाँ बेटा.
Yeah. This is a good story, dude.
I want to ask you, you've been dating this person for 10 years. How old are you?
I am 24.
I'm telling you, these Gen Z kids are on another level.
Yeah. So you started dating at 14.
And you're,
So
and this
I hope we're
incident with
both the
thing-
same age.
Yeah.
this nudity thing happened when?
अभी
अभी?
1.5 साल पहले.
1.5 साल. So you were over 18.
हाँ,
Yeah. Or you could have gotten the father arrested. Showed up naked in front of him. Uncle, jail now.
I'll see you in the jail.
वहाँ टॉयलेट खुला मिलता है.
Oh no.
Bro, you're too secure for this, dude. Like, what? Do they really like you? Are they like really open-minded? What is it?
Yeah. So
They're very
10
open-minded.
years and it's been great. So
शादी करने वाले हो तुम लोग?
yeah, 2-3
That's
years
good.
down the
ये देख, अभी शादी करना ही पड़ेगा बहुत
ऑप्शन नहीं है अभी.
तो बाथरूम लॉक.
Funny story. 7 years back, she was at my place on her birthday.
Oh God. This is post of pre-12. 12 a.m. के बाद की 12 a.m. के time.
So there was no one at my place. And
The watchman was naked this time. He's like, इस बार the watchman was naked. The liftman came inside and he was like checking the bathroom. ये क्या कर रहे थे? सब रूम चेक करने का.
और मैंने सोचा उसने लिफ्ट खोला है. फिर
so she had just come back from her tuitions. लेकिन मेरे घर पे थी and it was pretty late. I think 8:39 कुछ बज गए थे. And her parents were on a hunt कि किधर है बच्ची. And they came to my place. She was, I think, in the washroom doing something. And I was like,
bro, why do you gotta put it like that?
no. And I was like, I don't know where she is. Let's go find her.
This is why the father checks the bathrooms every night. He's like, कोई है क्या अंदर?
It's that trauma from 7 years ago.
Right.
I'm sorry, 1 second. You तेरे घर पे छुप रही है.
हाँ.
और तेरे को मालूम है कि वो छुप रही है. But you're pretending like देखते हैं बाहर देखते हैं.
हाँ. I like
Got
let's- And she calls her friend someplace and tells her that I'm here. I'm gonna go back home. You tell them some story that I was with you. But that bitch. So she calls and she's like, अरे नहीं वो पीयूष के साथ थी. So
Okay.
her dad is like, motherchode, bhenchod, तू वापस मेरी बेटी से बात किया रहा. And now we are here.
7 years ago he said that. Wow, and this guy is just testing the limits since then. He's just like, बात क्या तो ठीक है, बात, okay, now he likes me bath now. Does he like me naked bath?
Cut to uncle is watching this episode.
हे भेड़िया घर पे आओ कपड़े पहन के आना इस बार
दिल लगी भी तेरे दिल को दिल लगी न लगे
You know, so I'm single, and I'm out there looking for love.
That's good.
And my wife is like, "Hi." So I'm married to my wife, and yeah, thank you so much for approving. Yeah, thank you, ma'am. I appreciate it. I also have 2 kids. I had a fun time, man. It was today's Wednesday. Yeah, yesterday I took my kids to a place called Time Zone. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, it's awesome. Yeah. So my wife and me keep like we've got
Time zone is what?
Time zone is like GMT and
So when you cross the equator, what the fuck?
yeah. So I go to Time Zone every Tuesday because it's half off on games.
Like a video game parlor.
Yeah, it's a video game parlor, but they don't call it a video game parlor.
Yeah.
Like it's
you can get your nails done.
Yeah. So yeah, we go to Time Zone and you collect all these rewards and you get very excited that hey, I've collected these rewards and you got like 8,000 points. And you're like, my God, what will 8,000 points get me? And then it's like a bat.
A small bat.
Yeah. A small bat which is not even like properly balanced.
And they're blind, you know, so it's not even. Stop clapping at this shit!
And that's why India lost at WTC. They were playing with the wrong one. So I tell them, I'm like, okay, listen, we've collected X, Y, Z amount, and so everybody has to use only 700 points to get whatever rewards they want. And I'm like, look, I'm teaching them responsibility. And my wife is like, no, I think you're teaching them gambling. So that's the debate we have in our house right now.
I love these places, but they always say, sir, you have to come here with your kids. I don't know what that. They're like, no, you can't.
You know, but if I saw you at Time Zone, I'd be like, this makes so much sense.
So.
Dude, I was in Time Zone with my kids. We were having a good time, just running around, being immature and shit like that. And I'm walking, and I just look, and I see a familiar face. And I'm like, dude, I know this guy, and it's Abish Mathew. And I'm like, dude, what are you doing here? I was like, it's my birthday. Like, Abish. It's great, dude. It's a lot of fun as an adult human being to just go there and just enjoy. It's like you feel like an idiot, and it feels like this is the closest we'll get to like Vegas or whatever. I thoroughly enjoy. Yeah, Time Zone in whichever one you can find. I don't know. Is this an ad for Time Zone? Do you think we should get sponsored?
Yeah, fuck that. I'll mute this.
The name.
He's editing it right now in his head.
I'll mute the whole thing. So every Tuesday I go to.
Durex.
It cuts to Jose saying, yeah, but they never let me in.
Dude, my son is 8, okay? So my daughter was watching Peppa Pig. She's like 6. So she's watching it and my son is watching on the side. And then he sees me seeing him and he's like, no, I don't like Peppa Pig. I'm like, you can. It's all right, dude. There's a rule that
And even
says...
Saurabh was on the side watching Peppa Pig.
Dude, okay, in Peppa Pig, okay? Jose, I'm sure you've noticed this. Have you seen Peppa Pig?
No, I'm...
Yeah.
So. What?
I think it's fictional pig.
What happens in Peppa Pig?
The jokes are all on the dad.
Oh.
Right? So because it's like, they're like, all the jokes are always on the dad. So they're like, oh, Papa Pig, you're a piece of shit. He's like, I'm like, dude.
I think you're using the wrong app. That's the other one.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, I was watching Papi Pig. That's on Hathaway.
Puppy pig.
Did you guys ever like put like a screen when the kid was crying too much? Ye le, phone le le.
Never. They're like animals. They want screen time. Peppa Pig. Get away from They're crazy, bro. He knows. So if you really want them to stop doing this whole screen time thing, show them horror movies.
Oh.
Somebody wrote that down. Like, oh, fuck yeah.
But then isn't this a problem? Because then they start screaming at night and then you can't sleep properly.
But then there are 2 parents, hopefully. And I gotta go to work now. I have to go to Ronak Rajani's show.
Where are you at in your relationship status, man?
So we've been together for 10 years now. I checked. And we've reached a new stage now in our relationship where after some time you get really comfortable.
Third base.
So we're completing some milestones, and when you're together for a long time, there are some things which will destroy your relationship if you're just seeing each other, and other things that might bring you closer together when you're married. For example, I was coughing and I couldn't control it, and I coughed, and involuntarily I farted. So I got...
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, and we've been trying to keep the romance alive by not like pooping in front of each other, shit like that. And so I tried to play it off and I was like, Arey, kiska Velcro tha idhar? These kids always playing with Velcro, they're crazy. You know? And then I coughed again and again I farted. And my wife hasn't stopped laughing since then. But it has brought us closer together.
No, but 1 second. You mentioned very briefly, you just touched upon that we've decided to not poop in front of each other.
Yeah, you guys are all here in Mumbai, you know how hot it is. Some people like to keep the door open.
Yeah, what's the big deal, dude? Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
I mean,
Every time I come to your house, I'm always...
you get sprays. Yeah, I'm like, Ronak, can you just sit here? I need to poop. Yeah, sit at the edge of the bed, yeah. I want to be able to see you, Ronak. Do your kids do that? Like your kids will not let you poop in peace also. Dad, I keep the door open. I want to talk to you. I don't want to talk to anyone. I want to poop, bro.
Does it work the other way also? If she farts and coughs the other way?
Now it has to work the other way. She'll kill me for sharing this, but once.
Yeah. Once.
If I'm just going to look into the camera once, baby, everybody farts, it's fine. Even these people who are laughing at you in the joke, they also farted. See this girl many times
Yeah.
during the show.
Bro, in the audience edit now, I'll put farts on everyone's laugh.
Just everybody do that a bit. So one night, everybody fast asleep, okay? And I hear. So I look, okay? And I look and everybody's fast asleep. Except for me, my wife, my child, both passed out. But then I look and my wife does this, okay?
Yeah.
So even I was like,
These kids leave all this Velcro around.
these are the sacrifices you have to make, you know, fresh air and all. Thing of the past.
So have you ever farted while having sex?
Yeah.
It's very fascinating, I was going to say. Because like the thing is that how do you continue? And the answer is you just do. You go like, and you're like,
Jesus Christ.
Have you never? Come on, are you serious? How many people have received a fart or provided a fart?
I'll tell you what my wife once told me. She said, I know you're farting, but every time you fart, you don't have to stop doing what you're doing.
One way you can deal with this is say, just 1 second, I'm getting a call. Then you leave the room. Yeah, the consignment, yeah, it'll be ready. Yes, where were we?
It's your boy Michelle Obama. A few quick announcements. In this episode, I don't have a brand to promote. I want to talk about a very important charity. It's close to my heart. It's called Sophie Memorial Animal Rescue Team Smart Sanctuary, which is based out of Noida. It is run by a very nice lady called Kaveri Rana. They take care of a lot of stray animals, dogs, cats, everything that needs rescuing, horses, donkeys, and they're running out of funds. Their funds are tight and they need donations. I'm going to put their donation link in the pinned comment. Go and donate. Also, in the last 2 weeks, I dropped the first part of my 3-part special called Manchild. The video is on my YouTube channel. Go check it out. Just go and type Ronak Rajani, the Kohinoor story. Yeah, in case you missed it, in case the algorithm didn't push it to you, go watch that. And also, last week we dropped an episode of Relationship Advice on Netflix India's YouTube page. It is for the promotion of the film Fir Aayi Haseen Dilruba with Taapsee Pannu, Shrija Chaturvedi, Vikrant Massey, Pavitra Shetty, and Sunny Kaushal. You gotta watch it. It was a very fun episode. It's got 6 people more than the usual. To attend the live tapings of Relationship Advice, you need to go. Where you at, Nivedita, in your relationship status?
I mean, I'm from a conservative place, so we don't date. We just get married
Okay.
to whoever our parents find for us. I don't know how many.
And have your
people
parents found
consider
anyone
that.
for you yet?
They tried.
They tried.
One time, my mom wasn't home. It was just me, my dad, and I. And you know, we can't communicate properly. So he said, we're going to go meet this guy and his family, the whole family. Because in arranged marriages, you don't meet just the guy. That's just as slutty. Right? So you have to meet with the whole family. And then I said to my dad, I was like, how about you ask that boy if he can meet me alone instead? And my dad was like, I don't think he'll be comfortable with that.
So dad was
So-
thinking about his safety.
Yeah, I guess. So then we had to go meet this person, and I had just started doing stand-up at the time. Like, just started doing it, and I knew this was a deal breaker for arranged marriages. So I said it, the first thing I said when they asked me what I do was I was like, stand-up comedy. And then the boy's father was like, I also do theater. Yeah, he was one of those progressive arranged marriage dads, and I got along with him. We were talking about everything together.
Nice.
I don't know
And
where
bonded
this is
with the
going,
dad.
by the way.
Nice.
Honestly,
Nice.
could have married the dad. And my dad and that guy were talking. I never spoke to that guy for like 1 hour. And we all stood up to leave. And the boy was around my height or a little shorter than me. And then the dad looked at me and he was like, how tall are you? And I was like, 5'8". He was like, my son is 5'10", but it doesn't look like.
Jose and me are 5'10", yeah.
Yeah, a lot of guys my height say they're 5'10" though.
Yeah, I'm 6'8", so
I think that was a deal breaker because they never got back to us. Thank God, because he was from California. You know what that means in arranged marriages? That means solid, right? Everybody in my family wanted me to marry this guy. I was like alone in this.
Green card.
Yeah, exactly. They wanted that so bad.
Wow.
I was like, why do you want it? Like, ask me if I want it.
that girl is like, you got his number for me. You were looking for someone to
Finding
marry?
someone?
This is what I wanted to
You had, did your parents have your bio data and your picture and everything?
I was doing it on Dilmil. So
Dil Mill?
Dilmil is like a Tinder for NRIs. Yeah. If Seema Tapara does not pick up your call, yeah, you go to Dilmil.
one guy he called me and he's like, I want to hear your Indian accent. And he's like, oh fuck dude, yours is so strong. I can't talk to you and he hung up and
What the?
He just hung up. Dude, I thought the call was like a fetishization call.
Dude, I thought.
I don't like it. He hung up and blocked me.
Amazing. God, we blocked him for an accent, dude. What the?
Yeah.
You're selling him a loan. Like you're calling him like, sir, are you interested in property in Bandra East? BKC, like not interested, accent and...
And I get told I have a Bandra accent. So I'm like, I have an accent.
No, man, your accent is fine, man. What are you talking about? But this happened on Indian matchmaking, exactly this, right? Like I was like,
Yeah, that
I don't
guy.
remember the accent or sure, can't understand anything you're saying.
क्या बोला भाई साहब?
I don't know your accent, very strong accent. I don't know. Hello, welcome to HDFC Bank.
And that guy saying accent was wrong.
Can I ask you, what was the sentence you had to say?
I said, no, I don't even remember. I said, oh,
Did he send you a message saying, ye pad ke bol?
Oh shit.
I said, oh, I really enjoy eating Chipotle. And he hung up. He's like, I don't like this.
You think it might be the Chipotle? Chipotle?
Isn't that the dish that makes you fart a lot?
Yeah. I think he wanted you to say vada pav with mirchi from Dadar.
He stayed in Bombay for a while.
Yeah.
And he was like, Bombay is so dirty. I don't like it.
Yeah.
माँ की
Okay.
आँख.
Where did he say?
तुझ्या आईची गांड माझ्या फोन राख फोन
He said, hey, I've got
Where did he stay?
I was staying in Dallas, so in Dallas.
He was in Dallas only.
Yeah.
And then you never texted him or something
He
saying,
blocked me. But
oh, fuck.
सीधा उसके गांड में डाला. ये क्या है?
You should have Jose write a script for you and find him on LinkedIn and say, Tuja aichi gan, Monsieur Lode, and you do it in an accent. You say, Kaj me anja Lode, and you say, and you do that. And it was, Chipotle! He worked at McDonald's? That's why he got angry. Because you like Chipotle.
that was his only job that he worked at McDonald's.
Dude, 1 second. That was his only question he asked you was, what fast food do you like? Are you sure this guy wasn't doing a survey? Bro, he's on Dilmil going around. I know a way to get 100 people to respond.
He's like, I just want to know the burgers. Why do we keep talking about marriage?
He unmasked and he goes to his boss. I told you no one likes our food. So then, did you try a lot to find someone who'll make you their American wife?
Actually, did find someone.
Wait, on Dil Mill?
Bumble,
On Bumble?
but he was not Indian.
Right. So you didn't understand his accent.
Bangladeshi.
He was Bangladeshi. And Bangladesh has a different green card. He had a green card. Oh, wow. Wait, Bangladesh. 1 second. I'm sorry. Why does Bangladesh have a different green card? Can you give some context? Oh, did everybody not get the joke? Are you guys? okay. So then.
We met on Bumble. We became friends, but I eventually fell in love with him.
अरे
Why are you laughing like that?
गाड़ी स्टार्ट हो रहा है उधर.
1 second. Can Bumble? I didn't know Bumble was like an international thing. Or were you in Bangladesh?
No, we were
Oh, you were in Dallas together. Oh, sorry. I was thinking you're in Calcutta and just leaning across the lawn. And hoping.
And then?
He ignored me the entire time. 2 weeks before I was leaving to come back to India, to move back to India. He was like, I've been in love with you this entire time. But for 6 months, he's completely ignored me.
Wait. This is something that guys do a lot, don't they? The minute you start reciprocating, they're like, oh no, I feel like, I feel like, you know why they do that? They hate themselves so much, they can't believe that you like them. And they back off.
And now when I come back here, he keeps texting me every day, oh, come back. I'm like, oh, fuck, I was there for 6 months. What were you doing? For my birthday, all he texted me was HBD or stuff.
That's a bitch
He
move.
was my best friend over that.
तुझे आजी 6 months.
One second. Okay, to defend this guy for a second. Okay, hold on. 1 second. Okay.
Let's hear it.
Okay. Okay, here's the thing. Okay, you're interested in somebody, and you've like been interested in this person for 6 months, and you finally get the gumption to say, I think you're so cute, and they're like,
Months before this happened, I told him I had feelings for him.
Oh, you made it clear to him.
Yeah, and to which
okay,
he
then
replied,
he's a dumbass, yeah.
Oh, did this guy have a green card?
yeah, I'm getting citizenship next year. So I was like,
Next year. You were very happy.
Why do you know this? Still.
What other qualities did he have?
I have a question. At what point do you ask if you have a green card or not?
Yeah.
Good question.
I think it's usually right after you say, what is your favorite fast food?
but desperate enough in the first 5 minutes. Because you're like, oh, I'm an international student, you know. I have...
So how long you have been here?
He's like, oh,
6, 7.
this was 2021 when I went. So he was like, oh, I've been here since 2018. I was like, oh, you know, he's
Give me a moment. Let me bring out my calculator.
like, yeah, I was citizen in 2023. So I was like, how come green card and all? He said, oh, I became a green card holder in 2018. I was like, oh, cute.
Okay.
Noted.
So that was.
Wait, one second. Let's not make it seem like having a green card is less. Alright, it's a big. It's
Yeah. Chal na.
That's fair.
Chal. Yeah. Was he a good dude, or was he like I beat up children, but just walking on the road hitting kids? It's like, okay, but he has a green card, so.
I was actually in the army in Bangladesh.
Oh, that's what they hit kids.
One second, the current guy. What citizenship does he have, or does he aspire to have?
No, he's Indian. He doesn't want to.
So now you've changed your priorities.
Yeah, after staying in the US for 2 years, you realize that countries actually third world more than first world. So
Abey, now that you didn't get your green card, you realize.
One second, this is not a love story between you and these two gentlemen. This is a love story of you and the nation of this India. This is a story of patriotism.
This is the deleted end of Veer Zara.
And how long have you been dating this guy? The
No.
Okay, why does this friend of yours hate you?
Because I know the fuckery behind this fuck up.
okay,
wait.
You're rooting for the Bangladesh guy?
Wait. Yeah, Saurabh asked you a very valid question about the new boyfriend, but before that, I want to hear what you as a friend want to say. Oh, you guys couldn't hear properly, or? You all missed it, or?
you all can see the recording.
I'm so sorry. Basically, what she said was she is looking for a green card. So she found a Bangladeshi dude and he didn't love her back, so he's at HBD.
On Snapchat.
On Snapchat. So you can't even save it.
And HBD stands for Hud Pe Desi. That's what.
Give her the mic.
The version of this very fucked up story is that she lived in denial for most of this situation.
She said Dallas. Now you're bringing Egypt into this?
No, so the version of the story is she lived in denial for most of this. Then she gets drunk on her birthday, and this guy walks in and she has a projectile fallen on this guy, going like, I want Taco Bell.
Okay.
After this whole shebang, she's realized, okay, I might have feelings for this guy, still in denial, still in denial. Then she's finally accepted it, cried over it. Her birthday, she's crying over it. My birthday, she's crying over it. Our friend's birthday, she's crying over it. She's cried the whole way, and I'm fucking frustrated at this point. So this whole thing goes, and she's like, bro, मैं वापस आ रहा बॉम्बे में नहीं ले सकता ना. I was like, okay.
Now the accent comes.
Yeah. Now the accent comes. So then this guy, 2 weeks, when she's packed her bags, fitting clothes into vacuum bags, done all this whole thing, she calls me up and she's like, bro, he told me he likes me and all. And I'm like, okay. She's like, damn, if you told me 3 days before, I would have stayed back and all. I'm like, mother chod aurat, you could have done this whole thing before, but you've done it now.
So what? But you were still there, right?
I was still there, but I'd already booked my tickets, told my parents I'm moving back to India and all. I was like, I begged to go back to Dallas before, and I was begging to come back to India, so I couldn't say anything.
ये वो वाला ना, am I the drama?
I am the drama!
Am I the drama?
I love how the more unraveling that happened, the more you were like, what the fuck are we?
I said it from the start. Let's look at it from the guy's point of view.
You're right. So there's
The
always
guy
two
still
sides.
thought, yeah, no. Last point. My ex-boyfriend cheated on me, and he had multiple personality disorder. And he said, when he cheated on me, he said, I don't know which of my personality cheated on you.
So you should have asked him, but which of your penises did?
But that's kind of clever if you think
Yeah, it's
about
very
it.
smart. It's smart.
Is that like a real problem that he had? Like,
Yeah, it was a real problem.
so it really was that his other personality was.
I don't know if
unrecognizable.
it was his other personality, but he did have that problem. So
Oh, so it probably is a good excuse, dude.
yeah,
And,
so I bought it at
I'm
the time.
scared.
Really convenient for him.
Yeah, it was.
At the time.
It really was.
What? How lucky can you get?
Yeah.
Does that happen to him like when he's applying for visa also? I forgot.
He got arrested under NDPS, so he can't get a visa anymore.
One of your boyfriends is literally Splitsvilla. Literally, he is all the people. And he got arrested in what did he get arrested?
NDPS.
What is NDPS? I mean, listen, let's not talk about things we all disagree with.
Okay, we don't ask about drugs. What was his favorite fast food joint?
It was McDonald's.
I'm 21F, female. Okay. I've been cheated on before, and that's why I have trust issues. I recently got introduced to a secret Facebook group where South Delhi girls post pictures of boys they're dating, and the girls on the network discuss whether or not they've seen him around in our social circles with any other girls. Oftentimes, boys have been caught two-timing in the group. So I was tempted to check about my current boyfriend, but he passed the test, and no one had any dirt on him. The problem is that his bitch female best friend is on the group and told him, and now he's fighting with me. What do I do?
But he passed. He passed the test.
He passed the test, but now he has the upper hand.
Right.
Because
So why is he
knows-
fighting? He should be like, yeah, baby.
But dude, if I was a girl and I was on this group, I would to reply to everyone, yeah, slept with him also.
Then you become the. Everyone's like that bitch.
I slept with him yesterday. He's in my house right now. Come, get him. Here's my address, and then you send
Bro.
the address to like a pet shop.
Anyone has a link to the group? 4 new members suddenly, randomly 4 new members. Yes, I've slept with him. You also, you bitch, you are a bitch. No, you bitch. And fuckers start fighting with each other. Fuck, wow. And the guy's like, मैंने तो कुछ किया ही नहीं.
But you know what? He just passed the test among South Delhi group.
Good
Yeah. We don't know. We've not tried everywhere. Cambodia का group नहीं किया है.
Don't forget that. Imagine North Gurgaon. They have a separate group.
Yeah.
And how horrific to find your husband's picture. They say, ये तो सब है. कल रात को उधर ही तार नंगा था. वो बाथरूम से निकल रहा था नंगा, एक अंकल आके खोला उधर. वो भागने लगा. सब लोग नंगे हो गए. Horrific, man. Shit.
Also, I have a question, which is like, who is using Facebook?
That's the game, bro.
Underground scene.
Yeah, no one's using Facebook anymore, so it's like a damn good place to keep it secret.
But look, Ronak, your next idea is here. This idea, the group thing, needs a larger audience to work.
Yeah.
So, picture. Discuss, he put his face up over say, anybody having sex with this guy last week?
Yeah. Then her dad responds, yeah, me too.
No, wasn't there this one anonymous website where people were just posting it didn't work. There was an anonymous place where people... Ask FM? Is that like, but what is that?
That was like
Ask
opinions
FM.
or something.
Ask FM, you can just give feedback to a person, right?
Yeah, Nirmala Sitharaman.
No, that's a different FM.
That's...
Yes.
Imagine
Yes.
you tweet to Nirmala, hey, ma'am, I want to check if Jaggu, my boyfriend from South Delhi.
No, I think like we're forgetting that there's a best friend over here involved who did this whole thing. Alright, so it's possible that
Oh my God!
he's cheating with her. That's what I thought.
Oh.
Then so
He's
to
cheating
cover it
with
up,
the best friend, you're saying.
Yeah,
Oh shit.
So,
Mr. Pradyuman.
she's in on it.
so what? You guys all think this best friend is...
I mean, it's the most scandalous reason. So we will.
Yeah, I feel like at this point, after this, he can cheat how much ever he wants.
Yo. That's like you tell the truth your whole life so that you can lie when you really need to.
Yeah. And Ask PM is what it's called. He never...
But this is the most brilliant thing. This group thing, I think, it's brilliant. I can't wrap my head around it. I want to be in that group.
Yeah. Do you think it would work? Do you think it would work if there was a guys group? It wouldn't work, right?
No, you know where that would go. That's the end of tonight's show. Thank you.
Yeah, but even women do this. Just by the way, in the last episode that I uploaded, there was one guy sitting somewhere there, and 3-4 women took screenshots of him and sent it to me, saying, "Hey, can you check your Book My Show data and tell me what's his name?" Yeah, and I was like, why the fuck would I do that? I'm gonna keep him for myself.
But for a small fee.
I'm Karthik. So I work with this Ashma, and we had.
How much contempt? He's like, I work with this.
I work with her, and so we work in the same company.
Okay.
And in the same company, there used to be another person, and I really liked her, and she knew that I really liked her.
The other person, right?
Yeah, the other
Okay.
person. And then I told her also. And then when she left the company, we had a farewell party for her. At my house, because
Can I guess what happens? Everybody left and both of you were left alone. Is that?
no. Everybody was in the house.
She left first.
No, she was. She did.
She was like, farewell, to bye.
She did leave. She was the first person to leave. But before she left, me and her had a moment in my room, and
What moment? Like what moment?
she kissed me.
Okay. Huh.
Okay.
What was the kiss like? Was it like a kiss on your forehead?
No.
Like a
it was-
thank you for the party, bete?
No.
What was
No.
It depends, right?
It was a kiss. Like it was a proper kiss. Shut.
You got a lot of opinions on this.
Dil pe laga hua.
What are yours?
Throughout the night, she was hitting on some other guy, okay, who also likes her. And then she goes and makes out with him.
I mean, she's a
That
player.
bitch.
Can't blame the player.
Okay. फिर क्या हुआ? She gave you a kiss and then she bounced.
Yeah, she bounced, and then the next day, like I was like, because I got very happy. I was like, oh, she kissed me. Maybe she likes me back, and so on and whatever.
Yeah.
She kissed me. Maybe she likes me back. It was there was still a question mark.
Yeah, you're like, well, we had sex and now we are raising a family. I don't know if she's interested,
So the next day, we spoke, and she was like, "Nee, like I just don't like you. Like it's not like
Okay.
जो हुआ वो हो
It's an
गया,
impulsive-
उसको भूल दे."
yeah, okay.
I was drunk. जो भी हुआ वो हो गया, भूल. Like forget whatever happened. And
फिर?
I was like, "Fuck you." Then I don't wanna.
No, he was not like fuck you. He was like, hush my arm.
No. That happened later.
Blue boy.
That happened later. But at that moment, I was like, fuck you. अगर तेरे को नहीं चाहिए तो then fuck off. Let's not.
ये तो धोती खोल रखा है.
I love having the friend next to them like, hट रहे हैं. क्या झूठ बोल रहे हैं?
झूठ बोल रहा है.
So then there's
चूतिया कटा है, that's it.
इसका okay.
Loser है बस और कुछ नहीं
No,
रोया है 2 दिन तक.
Why do you keep this friend around you, bro? All I've seen you do is abuse this guy.
Yeah, do you have to do positive self-talk in the morning or something?
You mentioned earlier that the kiss was a loser kiss.
Yeah.
What does that mean? Was it like,
tell you. Such a loser that the girl came and kissed him, and he was so like shit drunk that he didn't realize that she was kissing him, and she was like, "Did you realize I just kissed you?" And he was like, and then the minute someone walked in, he was like, "Oh, मेरे को चामते हुए पकड़ लिया किसी ने."
चामते हुए? Is that what you call it?
No.
I can't wait to use this on my wife.
No.
हमें कोई चामते हुए नहीं पकड़े.
चामते हुए? Is
चामते
that
हुए.
a popular term?
Is that a Hindi word?
Okay.
It's a proper Marathi slang.
Chante is slang for? Chante is Marathi slang for what? Loser kiss.
दिल लगी भी तेरे दिल को दिल लगी न लगे
Dude, but kids are damn interesting. Like, my son has school tomorrow, and he was playing cricket. And I'm like, brother, come up. And he was hanging out with some random boy who's some new guy in the building, some 6-7-year-old. So they're talking around. I'm like, dude, you have to go home. And the kid just looks at me like, uncle, come on, no. Come on, and this is actually what he said. He's like, uncle, come on, we are creating a bond here right now. I'm like, shit.
They ate.
He's 8. So one girl comes to me and she's like, I'm going to tell you a story, uncle. I'm like, okay. And she's like 9. And she's like, you know, I'm very humble. And I'm like, what? Where did we learn I'm humble? And she's like, I have a YouTube channel. I'm like, what is happening?
What is the story, dude?
The story was about, we were discussing about toilets. And they were talking about how people are going inside the wrong toilets. So she said, uncle, there was this aunt of mine, and you know what she did? She went, okay, so you know this, so sometimes, they want to go to toilet, and then she went to the toilet, and she was inside the toilet, and there were all men there, and the men are like, excuse me, ma'am, you're in the wrong toilet, and she's like, no, you are in the wrong toilet. And then 9 of them are like, no, ma'am, it says gents outside, and she's like, anyway, I'm very humble. Like, what is this story?
That's the whole story.
That's the whole story.
What the fuck is happening?
Hey, have I opened out?
Is your kid also like this?
I'm as confused as you guys are. I don't know what is happening.